Hey guys, I'm Shweta and today's topic is Le Repas Français, the French meal. Le Repas Français. So let's get started. So, firstly, it's your breakfast. So, it is Le Petit Déjeuner. Le Petit Déjeuner. It's your breakfast. Secondly, lunch. And what we call lunch in French, it is le déjeuner. Le déjeuner. Okay, it has an accent aigu. Thirdly, snacks. And what we call snacks in French, le goûter. Le goûter. Okay, it's snacks in French. Le goûter. And your final one, final repas français, is your dinner. And your dinner is le dîner. Le dîner. Okay. So, firstly, we will talk about le petit déjeuner, which we eat in the morning, le matin. So, here we go. Au petit déjeuner, les Français mangent des tartines avec du beurre ou de la confiture. Ils boivent du café. In café, there will be accent aigu on E. Les jeunes prennent des céréales et des fruits. Ils boivent du lait ou du jus de fruits. So its English translation is, for breakfast, the French eat toast with butter or jam. They drink coffee. The young people take cereals and fruits. They drink milk or fruit juice. Okay? So confiture is your jam. Confiture. And on cafe, there will be an accent aigu. Secondly, we'll come up to our déjeuner, which is your lunch, and when we eat it in afternoon. So it is l'après-midi. Au déjeuner, beaucoup de Français sont au bureau. Ils déjeunent au bureau, à la cantine ou au restaurant. Ils mangent des sandwichs, des grillades ou des salades. And its English translation is, at lunch, many French are in the office. They have lunch in the office, in the canteen, or in the restaurant. They eat sandwiches, grills, or salads. So it's your déjeuner. Then we come up to our goûter. Goûter is your snacks and we eat it in the evening, which is your soir. So it is, les adultes boivent du café ou du thé. Les jeunes prennent du pain au chocolat, des biscuits, du lait, des barres de chocolat ou des fruits. And its English translation is, adults drink coffee or tea. Young people have chocolate bread, cookies, milk, chocolate bars, or fruit. Okay? So, adults is your adult. Okay? And biscuits is your cookies. Biscuit. Cookies. And when we come up to our last repas français, so it's dîner, which is your dinner. And when we eat it at night. So what we call it? La nuit. La nuit. So it is au dîner, toute la famille est à la maison. Ils prennent de la soupe, de la viande, des légumes, du pain, des baguettes et du fromage. And its English translation is at dinner the whole family is at home. They take soup, meat, vegetables, bread, baguette, and cheese. Okay? And after reading these texts, we have some vocabulary with us. So it is manger, to eat, boire, to drink, prendre, to take, beaucoup de, lots of, grillade, grills, bar de chocolat, chocolate bars, souvent, often. So I will just pronounce it again. Manger, boire, prendre, beaucoup de, grillade, bar de chocolat et souvent. And we have odd one out, chasselanthus. So first one is le café, la pomme, le lait, le thé, coffee, apple, milk, tea. So odd one out is what will be? It will be apple because all three of them are drinkables. And second one is l'orange, la banane, les cerises, love. So what will be? Egg. Egg will be your odd one out. So people, if you like my video, hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe to my channel, which is Quick French Learning with Shweta.